So after you've completed the drawing of these objects, now we're going to add dimensions. So let's look and see what that would be on the first model we did. So I'll go back to our drawing and I've opened the drawing for 301-1. Now we're going to use dimensions. There's a couple of things that we need to know. Anytime that we're going to offset it, we're going to have to use a thing called linear. There's three that we'll use. We'll use the standard one, dimension. We'll use linear dimension. And then when there's a bunch in a row, we'll do chain. But most of these that we're doing at this time will probably be either linear or dimension. Okay, so to begin with, I want to take care of my depth and my height. So we'll just go ahead and do this. Click on the edge here, there we go. There is the depth. Here's the height. And now we're going to do the details here. So it looks like I want to get both of these. So this is where linear comes into play. If I click here and here, then when I do my dimension, notice it doesn't touch on these edges. That's important. And then I can do another one here, and they're all lined up. So I've gotten my 20, my 40. It looks like I still need to do a width right here. And I should probably have how big this is. Now, if I were to put it here, it would make this part confusing. So I'm going to go ahead and place it here so that I can see it. Otherwise, it would be inside of this part, and that could be confusing. Okay, so any others that we need? We've got the 20 here, the 40. Okay, that is the part. When I'm done here, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and save this part. And then I want to take a screenshot here. This is what I'll put into the piece. And I'll just go ahead and include the neat line. That's the line that goes around here like this. And then I go back to our example here and paste that piece here on the sheet. Now that's a little light. That's okay for what we're doing. There is a way, if you want to do it, if you want to change it, you can make it a little darker by clicking here. You can go down to the bottom and say, okay, I'm going to make these lines thick. Click OK. Then if I took the screenshot, put it here like this, you may see that it really shows up a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and hold that. But once again, that's a choice that you have. You have satisfied the requirement just by copying this onto the slide. I'm going to try and place it here right in the middle so it looks nice. And there we go. Okay, so I'm not going to make a video on the rest of these. They're all very much the same. And then you can just go ahead and work through them. And if you have any questions, please let me know.